one big ass mirror. I could fit my big ass head in this mirror, like. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimmy with another tutorial or whatever. I'm being extra. Anyways, if you guys didn't already look at the title of this video, we're going to be demoing and reviewing ColourPop Cosmetics nude palette, nude mood. Who doesn't want to be nude? In the mood to be nude? No? Okay. So, yeah, so we're going to be reviewing that. I love ColourPop Cosmetics. It's very affordable. So if you guys want to see my thoughts / demo of this video, then go ahead and subscribe first. You can't watch a video without subscribing. I'm just kidding. But subscribe first, like, and comment down below if you guys use ColourPop Cosmetics. What are your thoughts and opinions on this video? And let's keep going. So because this is a review of the ColourPop Nude Mood collection, I already did my foundation, concealer, and all the good stuff, so we're just gonna do the eyes. And I think it comes with a highlighter and 2 tint lipstick thingies, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. If I don't remember the price of the products, I would probably list it down in the description box. So the first thing that we'll start off with is going to be the Nude Mood palette, and it looks like this. It's really cute packaging. It's very nice and simple. It comes with 9 shades, 9 shadows, and they're all listed in the back right here. It's really cute. It's like roses and stuff. And the palette looks like this. It doesn't come with the mirror. It's really small. With nice warm tone neutral colors for everyday looks, which is what I love so much. This palette retails for $14. The only thing I wish that it came with is a mirror, because this palette reminds me of the brown sugar palette that I also use, which is I also use one of my videos on my channel if you want to check it out. But it reminds me of that brown sugar Karushi collection. That one comes with a mirror. So I want to go ahead and do swatches for you guys, so I'll probably go ahead and put a quick link or a picture of how these shadows swatch on my arm, but we're going to go ahead and test these out in a second. The next product that comes within this collection is the Super Shock highlighter. I don't remember how much the price is, but again, I will just list it down in the description box. And it's really big. This is a really big highlighter. When I saw the size of this, it honestly reminds me of, I don't own it, but I think it's the Chanel bronzer or something like that, and it's really big. If y'all know what I'm talking about, I don't know, but it's really big. It reminds me of that. And this one, oh, it comes with a mirror. It comes with a big mirror, and it looks like this. And then they also come with 2 lip tints in the shades Overexposed and More Than Ever. And I will also go ahead and use these 2 colors to show you guys what it looks like on my complexion. It makes no sense to swatch it, but yeah, so this one is More Than Ever, this one is Overexposed, and these are 2 soft nudes, everyday nude lippies. So we'll see how they work on me. Okay, so to prime the eyelids, I'm gonna use my Milani Perfect Concealer. Looking at this palette, I really just want to do an everyday soft glam look, but I've already filmed a soft glam tutorial for you guys. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll leave a link down in the description box for you guys to look at, or maybe somewhere on the screen, who knows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just create something completely random. The first shade that I'm gonna use is called Cocoa, and it's this shade right here. shadows is really pigmented, which I like so far. So I thought this shade was actually a matte shade, but it has a little bit of shimmer, not too much where it's overdoing it, but it does have just a little bit of glitter. Shade Mugged Off, which is this brown shade right here. I'm gonna use this to kind of blend out the cocoa shade that we just used. The next shade I'm going to use is called Put On Hers. Put On Hers, and it's this middle golden bronzy looking shade right here. Use my fingers to see how it comes off. Ooh. Ooh. That is really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes real quick, so I'll be right back. So for the bottom lashes, I'm taking the shade Moody. Inner corner of the eyes, I'm using Wink Wink, which is this light champagne gold right here. Okay, so the eyes are done. We're gonna use the highlighter, which is called The Real Thing. And I'm just using a random Morphe brush. This brush doesn't have a name, but you could use any highlighter brush that you can. Collection only comes with 2 lip tints, and they're in the shade More Than Ever, and the other one is called Overexposed. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how these 2 colors look on me. So the first one I'm gonna use is Overexposed. I think I would probably wear this with a brown lip liner, and then I would top it off with a clear lip gloss to have like an everyday nude look. But by itself, I can't wear it, at least on my tone, because it just looks like it's a pretty color, but it's just too soft. I would probably use a brown lip liner, and then I would just put some lip gloss on top of it for a nice subtle nude look. Now we're gonna use More Than Ever. Okay, so let me just go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. And so the palette is really pretty. It's really small, affordable. The collection is very affordable. The only bad thing about this palette is that it has a lot of fallout, but that doesn't matter to me. I know to other people fallout is such a big deal, but it's eyeshadow. It's probably gonna fall out. But the eyeshadow is very soft. It's very pigmented. It comes off really nice. Yeah, so the only thing about it is just small fallout. The highlighter is really big. It's very subtle. This is a highlighter that I would use every day for when I'm wearing my nude neutral looks, that, you know, soft glam looks, and something very simple and not too overpowering. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this highlighter. It has a huge mirror. That's it. I love this highlighter. Again, the prices will be listed down in the description box because I don't remember how much it was off the top of my head. And then for the two lip tints, I prefer More Than Ever over Overexposed, which is what I have on currently right now. It's my favorite. I would suggest using a brown lip liner for these lip tints. Yeah, so I would suggest a brown lip liner for these lip tints, and then you could always top a lip gloss, clear lip gloss on top to, you know, spice up the look or whatever. But other than that, there's nothing really bad about the lip tints. I like them. They smell very fruity. So if a lot of people, I know they don't like to have scented makeup products, I don't mind personally, especially if it's for lips. It don't taste like fruits, but it has a fruity smell, kind of like pineapples or guava or something. Yeah, it smells like pineapples. But other than that, I love this collection. If you guys love this look, let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know in the comments down below what other videos you guys would love to see. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.